What do people really want? That's the title of this little conversation here, and I'm going to give you a broad, general idea about what people are really searching for more than anything else. And please don't think it's too simplistic, because it's not. It's not at all. Are there exceptions to what I'm going to say? I'm sure that there are. But, this is in a very general way. What people are really searching for is certainty in an uncertain world. I just want you to write that down. I want you to think about it. I really wish that you would think about it. This is more than anything else. People want results. They want certainty. They're looking for something real in a phony world. And they want somebody who can make them feel that way. It's an emotional thing more than anything else. They want to feel that their faith will be rewarded, or that they're going to get the results that you're promising them, or the dream will become a reality. They want total certainty. They just want complete and total certainty, and it's what they're really searching for. The people who make the largest amount of money, the salespeople, the marketers that really understand this, are the ones that do such a great job of giving people the kind of confidence that they need, to that assurance that they need, that people are so afraid when it comes to spending money. They're so skeptical, cynical, jaded. They just don't trust anybody anymore. And when they give you their money, they're telling you that they trust you. That's really what they're saying. Most of them will never come right out and say anything like that. They're never going to, some of them will, though. I have people that say that to me all the time. I'm putting my faith in you, man. I'm putting my faith in you. I believe in you. People do say that to me. I just had a guy say it to me a few minutes ago on a sales call. I'm putting my faith in you, man. But what people are really looking for is certainty in an uncertain world. So think about it in your own life. Why do you buy the kinds of things that you buy? Why are you spending all the money that you're spending on certain things that you're spending your money on? Yes, of course, we want results. We want proven results. But we're really just looking for some real sense of certainty that somehow this purchase is going to make us feel better about ourselves. It's going to give us something that we really desire. It's going to work for us. It's going to give us those results. And it's that emotional certainty. The best salespeople just instinctively know how to do this. And it's not all just rah hype either. It's delivering solid sales presentations that from an intellectual point of view, they can see that you're going to give them the results that they want, or that you can potentially give them the results that they want. So you're going to show them proof and all of that kind of stuff. But just think of start watching and start paying attention to some of these really dynamic sales and marketing people, and you'll see that you give me your money, and this is all going to come true. It's like that magic bullet, so to say. People want certainty in an uncertain world. I know that they want other things too. And I know that they're buying for other reasons other than just that. But I also know that that's what they want the very, very, very most. They're looking for something real in a phony world. They're looking for something that's totally, something certain, something they can really feel confident about, something that's going to change their lives somehow, or make them feel so much better, or get them further along. And that's really what we're selling. We're selling more than anything else that we can deliver on all of our promises, that they can trust us, that we're the real deal in a phony world. And so just think about that. I know it's a very simplistic, overly broad statement, and yet it's also extremely true. It's one of the main reasons why people are spending money, and why they will spend money with you, because you make them feel through a whole lot of different processes. Sometimes, you're making them feel, though, in the end, that they can depend on you, that they can trust you, that their money's in good hands with you, that you can deliver on your promises, that they're going to get the results that they want. It's an emotional thing, but it's also an intellectual thing too. And the good salespeople, the ones that have the most solid presentations, the ones that do the best at what they do, They instinctively just make people feel that way. So that's it for now. If you're watching this or listening to this on YouTube, you want to know more about me and what I'm doing, just click on the link below. And if you're one of my regular clients now, thank you for listening to this, and bye for now.